Welcome to Automate with AI and Astrid. This is where I help growing businesses with automation tools and AI tools for business efficiency and promotion, freeing up their time to focus on what matters most to them, their customers. So whether you're a team of 1 or whether you're a team of 100, this channel is for you, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to grow your YouTube channel using real examples for solo entrepreneurs, but the frameworks were just the same for modern service-based businesses. Because what you all have in common is this one thing: growing your brand on YouTube is simply overwhelming. At least it can be. Most solo entrepreneurs are therefore really stuck because they don't have a marketing team. So therefore they don't have time to create YouTube scripts and write endless titles and post everywhere. Still, they do want to connect with more people, grow their brand and grow their business. So this is where smart use of AI tools come in. Not to replace the authentic you, but rather to support you and to magnify your messages and more consistently and more powerfully, so that you can focus on your business and not spend the entire day, every day, on the screen. So let's look at it a bit more detail of how that is done. First, AI helps you to brainstorm and plan your video content. So tools like ChatGPT, but also Jasper AI can generate 10 to 15 video ideas in just a matter of minutes. So if you're a Reiki master, ask ChatGPT, give me 10 YouTube video topics about healing with Reiki. Or if you're a real estate agent, you could suggest 10 video topics for first-time home buyers. Or if you're a coach, you could suggest me 10 topics that CEOs might like, addressing their pain points. The point is that you start with a river of inspiration. Log these ideas, because after you have generated these script ideas, you are then going to work out the entire script with ChatGPT or Jasper AI. In Jasper, look for tools like a script writer or video summarizer. Second, AI helps you to get your videos being discovered, because after all, YouTube is a giant search engine, right? So that's where tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ come in. Use your keywords and tags exactly the way people find it. So TubeBuddy suggests video titles that match what people have exactly searched for, and vidIQ scores your titles for SEO so that you know exactly where you stand before you publish. Real world example: if you're an energy practitioner, you could turn the title from healing meditation into 5-minute healing meditation for anxiety and stress relief. Much more searchable and much more powerful. So that's how you do that. Third, AI helps you look professional without hiring designers. Canva, even on the free version, lets you design beautiful professional YouTube thumbnails as well as Instagram posts or LinkedIn posts. So in particular, have a look at their magic design features, as they can give you layout ideas. And I also suggest you look at templates, because there are beautiful designs there that you can just use. But remember, if you're not a designer just yet, make sure your images look calm and professional, because whether you're a healer, a coach, or a business person, your video thumbnail is the first impression that they get. So it's really important you get it right. Then fourth, AI saves you time by automating your posting. Now the trick is batch processing. Batch processing of your videos and scheduling inside YouTube Studio. That is within YouTube itself. And for scheduling your post, use Meta, the business suite, and that's where you post your post for Instagram as well as for Facebook. And LinkedIn has a similar feature, but you have to go to the post themselves. So by scheduling these in batches, that's how you're going to spend much less time on your computer and going to have much more time for your own genius. I'd like you to imagine to do 4 recordings in a day and then batch process them for the entire month automatically. So here's a simple weekly plan to follow. Monday, plan your content ideas with ChatGPT. Tuesday, make the videos. Wednesday, edit them and create the thumbnails. Thursday, upload and schedule the videos. And then Friday, all you have to do is cross-post to Instagram and Facebook. That would work really well. Aim to spend 6 hours a week for consistent growth without stress. Now, initially, you'll find that you spend more time, but that's just your learning, getting to know the platform and figuring out your own ways of working. But trust me, once you have experience, it will become much less time consuming. And so to sum it all up, with this overview, it shows you which tool to use on what stage of your video work. So for content ideas, ChatGPT and Jasper. SEO, use TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Design, Canva. Scheduling, Studio Scheduler and the Meta Business Suite, as well as LinkedIn Post. And that is together how you use automation with AI as a real sanity saver. So whether you are selling homes or coaching clients or run any other professional or small business, AI is your assistant. Note that it's not to replace you, but to help you stay in your own creative intuitive power and within your expertise, because building your online brand can bring you new opportunities and clients as well as collaborations you'll find. So that's it for today. I hope you found this video of use, and if you did, please press the like button and yeah, of course, subscribe. And feel free to comment below which business you are growing, because I would love to make more custom videos to help you on your journey. You can also book a discovery call with myself or my team. And I'll even have a starter kit for you to download, so you'll find the links below. So yeah, let the technology clear your path, and till the next time.